What is society? Societies are a system of relationship between people. Societies consist of members that share some sense of common identity and be small like a family or large like a nation or a state. Shared culture is important in holding a society together. Conformity and social control. Societies need a significant degree of conformity to function smoothly. Members learn norms through the process of socialization. Because people accept the norms and values of their societies as a natural, they largely conform. Those who do not conform are subject to measures of social control. What makes humans different? Cultures versus instinct. The ability to reason, to think in the abstract allowed for the development of culture. This included the development of complex system of communication and futures-oriented thought and planning. Complex thinking also makes a human strong innovators. Nature or nurture. Sociologists today largely agree that the social environment interacts with biology. Even so, we strongly resist the idea that genetics predetermine an individual's social life and potentialities. Sociologists now study how nature and nurture interact to produce particular behaviors. The interest in nurture has led to ongoing focus on importance of socialization. Examining the cultural variation offers evidence of the role of the social in explaining human behavior and values. Cultural diversity. Studying diversity is very important for sociologists. Comparative research is common. Things to be aware of. Centrism, viewing one's own culture as normal and oftentimes superior. Cultural relativism, judging other cultures based on their own norms and standards. Diversity within societies is also important. There are the obvious kinds of social groups, for example, race, gender, religion, that constitute a society, but there are also subcultures. A subculture is a group whose norms and values differ from those of the mainstreams. Diversity today. In diverse societies like the United States, studies of assimilations and multiculturalisms are common. These studies attempt to understand how diverse societies and the individuals in them can be function. Globalization has led to increased diversity in most countries. Cultural universals. Social institutions found in virtually all societies are called cultural universals. Language is one of the most significant cultural universals. Other includes marriage and arts also. Pre-modern societies. Hunting and gathering societies were the dominant social form for most of human history. Relatively egalitarians with no class structures, cooperative rather than competitive. Settled or agrarian and pastoral societies emerged approximately 15,000 years ago, somewhat less egalitarians, more accumulation of wealth and goods, larger groups.